Okay, Faith, thank you very much. Universal insurance done this since 1961, and we don't survive up till now because we are taking care of our customers. Now, how does insurance company take care of customers? They take care of customers by making sure, say, we pay their claim as at when due. Because whenever somebody get problem, now that time when you go know whether insurance company fit perform, and we don't perform. That's why we don't survive since 1961 up till now. We dey pay claim like no man business. And however, we dey also make sure we bring out innovative products wey go also satisfy the needs of our customers.
Okay.
Yes, universal insurance, the insurance where they do only general business.
Okay.
Like my brother talk, I'm here. Universal insurance, we there for business, they wouldn't tell for business. It be say, waiting keep us in business because we their partner with our clients. Okay. And say insurance be the thing where you they buy when you don't need them. We'd advise our clients, make them buy them, keep. Because the time where you go need them, you may not have bought it by then. But you go buy and keep. So that when the time need, that's the time you go use them. So we advise our clients, make them buy insurance so that it will help them when the time comes.
Okay. Insurance is so important. You see, as all the things will happen, just happen. A lot of things, people shop born, people things they flood and everything where they take place. If you get insurance, at least you sure say, because insurance work now to put you back in the position where you did before the loss. So whatever happened to you, insurance will put you back where you did. So if fire catch your shop, your goods burn, what insurance go do be say they go give you money so that you go fit replace those goods. They will give you money so that you go fit rent another shop. So that's the kind of thing where insurance they do, and it's very, very important, especially in these times. Very, very important.
Yes, we get plenty products where we don't innovate. Because when you come to insurance, you get some traditional policies where insurance they give.
Yes.
We have to add flavor to it to meet our present day need. We have something like motor insurance. We don't make them to cover so many things, which is outside the traditional cover.
Okay.
We don't make fire insurance to cover external things, which is outside the traditional cover. We don't give even goods in transit and other like fire and burglary. Even these equipments where they here, we have given them cover that makes it attractive to meet the present day need, so that you can buy insurance. Like my brother talked here before, my people talk say, they know they tell a blind man, say people are running. Because you go hear the noise. No be so?
Yes, that's so.
So, as it is, you saw what happened in SARS. Do you need to go and tell somebody in Balogo to buy insurance again?
No.
Do you need to tell somebody where they operate motor for road, say, go buy insurance?
Not true, you talk about
You see them now. So, now they go, they find us, come. Because they know say the time for insurance don't reach.
Okay. Okay, now.
Make I start with the third party. For example, now, for our third party insurance, you don't need to go anywhere to do third party. You can just go to our website. If you go to our website, the link there say if you want buy motor insurance, you click there, you go now see say third party. You click on third party. As you click them, you go give you form. You go fill the form online, pay online, and immediately the thing go give you your certificate on the spot. So maybe you go come. This something say you go just do them immediately by yourself. Yes. So the same thing with comprehensive. For comprehensive insurance, it cover both the third party and your own motor, and then also your motor against fire, accident, and even individual medical in case of the driver get accident. So we cover all that, and we're also working on a platform. In fact, by January, we will also get a platform where people fit just go and then get your comprehensive insurance online without going anywhere.
Okay.
Example, like this one we talk about shop. We don't do one now what they call shop in shop. What do we do? Shop in shop. Okay. Now, what do we do now? Say we have to even employ people to go survey. Waiting these shop owners need. What kind of risk where did they get? And based on that, we come up with this product. What do they call shop insure. Now wetin this shop insure dey cover? Now e dey cover fire. In case of fire, with fire get your goods, you know, the shop insurance go go take care of the fire to replace the things in case of fire. Then in case of burglary, if they come burgle your shop, thief something, the insurance company go cover am. Also e dey also cover what we call loss of rent. You know say if fire catch your shop, you no go fit use that shop again. And here nobody go tell you say make I refund your rent money.
Landlord of Lagos.
It's not possible. So wetin we go do be say we go also pay you whatever rent you never use before the fire happen. We go also give you return the money. Then we no even end at that. We go also give you money to get a temporary place until you get another shop. So you can imagine that kind of fantastic product. And all this one that they talk, the thing no pass 3,000 naira for a year.
For the premium.
Yes. You know, from 3,000. Yes, we have the other ones, it can depend on the value where you place on the thing, you go. But for as low as 3,000, because some people they think that the only millionaires they should do insurance.
Another question why be
the main thing be say, yes, before now, you go find out say when you come, we go check how much property you get, we go now calculate premium and all that. But these days, because we know of this kind of thing where people they complain, that's why we don't come up with this kind of specialized products. These products where they cater for the small scale people. Like this one I talk now, no trader go talk say no fit afford 3,000 naira. You understand me? So now what thing they do so we get a lot of products like that too. Maybe only this one for shop. We get for keke, we get for okada, we get for even school fees. You know, we get one way the school fees protection plan. Say something happened to the father or the mother, you know, and then they no fit pay school fees again, like death or permanent disability. We get that one where we go now take over the person's school fees or the person finish that school. So all these products dey and we dey talk am. But the main thing is say a lot of people they really want to listen. But we dey do a lot of educative program. We dey go market to talk to people, you know. But the main thing is say this thing is not as expensive way people dey think. Yes.
Okay.
What's his name?
Blessed.
Blessed.
From my papa.
Blessed.
Don't go.
Make I tell you, if you buy motor, call insurance, and you can't sell am, you know, there is what we call insurable interest for insurance. That motor, when you sell am, you are no longer, you don't have any interest on the motor again. Because you don't recover your money. You don't have any insurable interest. So, if anything, we are supposed not to do anything. But if you buy another motor, come tell us, say you don't sell that motor, we can take the new one, replace the old one. If the premium you paid, yes, if the premium you paid has not expired.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So, but if you didn't tell us, there's nothing we can do. We are not spirit. We know the spirit. We're going to know what happened now.
Okay.
So, but if you buy another one, come tell us. Say you don't buy another one, take and replace that one. We go use that premium, the old one where you pay, to make up the new premium for the new motor.
Okay.
I think that answers your question.
Your question.
Now, if for example now, when you, for example now, maybe as you say you pay for 1 year, and then after 6 months you don't sell the motor, all you need to do is that to come inform us. Say, see, we don't sell the motor. So there's what we go do. We go calculate the unused premium and refund you. Okay. But like as my brother say, if at the end you buy another,
you know, when you say you dey do medicine, you dey sell medicine, and you have where you dey sell cloth also. You know, when we are taking the insurance, we don't come see where you dey sell medicine, and we have seen where you dey sell the locations where they do these things. We don't know it. You understand? So if you put in another business inside it, you will let us know that look, I am also doing the business of oil. So we should know that we are doing oil. Because in a form where you give us, you don't tell us say now medicine and cloth with the sell.
Okay.
So that is where we know.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Make I answer you that question. You know, with special arrangement, devil can see God.
Oh my God.
You understand? So if the company has seen you as a good customer,
okay,
we can look into it.
Okay. All right, number.
As at now, insurance of today, no be insurance of yesterday. The regulatory body, which is NICOM, is on top of it. So there's no way where insurance go play pranks again
Hello, good morning, Oga.
So the regulatory body NICOM now is on top of the situation.
Okay.
Like you talked about before when we start, Universal have been in existence for the past 60-something years back. If we dey play pranks, we for know there now. So we dey meet our customers' need, we dey meet their demand, and we dey settle them well. That's why they come, and that's why it's Universal with the robust.
You can do insurance for your farm. You go fit do insurance for your farm. It's called agric insurance.
Okay.
Yes.
Universal get that.
Yes. You know, in agric insurance, you know, there are the different types. The one for the crops, the one for the life, and then the one for the equipment and the house and all that. Yes. Don't get special product for bicycle now, but bicycle now property. So definitely we go fit insurance. But we not get special product, but we go insure them like the way we insure normal property. Okay. Yes.
Hello, good morning.
The thing is, say insurance company we not get license to do loan, to give people loan. We not get that kind of license. But under life insurance, some life insurance they do say maybe as you don't contribute over a certain time, if you now get problem, they will give you up to some percentage of what you don't contribute as loan under life. But we for general we need to do that one.
The regulator, that NICOM, now they're on top of it. You cannot run away. You no go fit run away from your responsibility. As far as the claim don't happen, and you have agreed say you go pay, there are limited number of days you go stay, you pay the claim. If you no pay, they go report you to NICOM. NICOM will pay you and fine you. If possible, they may withdraw your license. You no go operate again.
Hello, good morning.
Number is 01 293
293
46
46 45.
That's it.
Okay.
Our website now www.universalinsuranceplc.com. www.universalinsuranceplc.com. When you reach our website, you go see everything what you want to see. Also, we also there on Facebook. For Facebook, just type Uni Insurance PLC. Okay. You go see our Facebook page. Okay. Then also we there Instagram too. For Instagram, just type our U Insurance PLC. Okay. U Insurance PLC. Okay. Also for Twitter, now U Insurance PLC. Okay. For LinkedIn too, we also did LinkedIn. Now also U Insurance PLC. Even for YouTube, if you go YouTube, just put Universal Insurance PLC. You go see our YouTube channel.
All right, so now
people, my people, I greet you, and we live to see another day. Come to Universal, where we go do you better.
Thank you very much, my people. As you know, we be strong company, Universal Insurance PLC, any day, and just bring whichever risk where you get. I sure say we go fit design something for you where go make you happy. Thank you very much.